Hello everyone, my name is Anubhuti Pandey and today we will learn about our next cell organelle that is ribosome. So let's begin. So what is ribosome? Ribosome is known as the engine of the cell. Ribosome is also known as organelle within organelle and protein factory of cell. Ribosome is a granular structure and it is also a dense structure which is observed under electron microscope. Ribosome was discovered by George Pallet and they are composed of two things. First one is RNA ribonucleic acid and another one is protein. Except mammalian cell, all living cells have ribosomes, prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. So ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles. There are two types of ribosomes. First one is eukaryotic ribosome and second one is prokaryotic ribosome. So what is eukaryotic ribosome is made up of? Eukaryotic ribosome is of 80S and prokaryotic ribosome is of 70S. So 80S ribosome is made up of larger subunit 60S and smaller subunit 40S. 70S ribosome is made up of larger subunit 50S and smaller subunit 30S. In eukaryotic cell, ribosome is present in the cytoplasm. In prokaryotic cell, ribosome is present in the cytoplasm as well as it is associated with plasma membrane. 70S ribosome is also present in mitochondria as well as chloroplast of eukaryotes. The association, here you can see this is the largest subunit and this is the smaller subunit. So association of both these units requires magnesium ion. So magnesium, it forms ionic bond with phosphate group of RNA of two subunit. Both this subunit have rRNA and this rRNA have phosphate group. So magnesium form ionic bond with this phosphate group. Minimum of 0.001 m of magnesium is required for this interaction. Now let's learn more about ribosomes. So we will look at the process of translation. So what is translation? Translation is a process through which protein is synthesized with the help of mRNA. So at the time of protein synthesis, 70S rRNA, 70S ribosomes, they become attached with mRNA. As you can see here in the diagram, this is mRNA and there are multiple ribosomes attached to it. This structure is called polyribosomes. So first the smaller subunit get attached with the mRNA and then the larger subunit gets attached. This structure is also known as polysome and ergosome. The large subunit contain enzymes. This is the largest subunit of ribosome and this contain enzyme peptidyl transferase enzyme and also 23S rRNA. Specifically in 50S subunit contain 23S rRNA. So what is the role of this enzyme? This enzyme helps in the formation of peptide bond during protein synthesis. And this is an example of ribosomes. So this was all about ribosome. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Spindle Classes. Thank you so much.